Tired of replying to the same email questions over and over? With BoldDesk, you can automate those repetitive replies using the Email AI agent. Incoming messages are analyzed, matched with the correct knowledge base content, and answered automatically. Customers receive responses within seconds, and support teams save valuable time. It provides faster response times and consistent, high-quality messaging. In this video, you'll learn how to enable the Email AI agent, configure the right conditions, and activate the automation. Start by navigating to the AI module and select the Email AI agent option. Enable the Email AI agent, then configure the conditions that will trigger it to respond. For example, you can set a rule like category equals sales and marketing, meaning that whenever an email-generated ticket is assigned to the marketing category, the AI agent will automatically take action. Once your conditions are set, click Next to open the AI response section. Here, choose the action you want the AI to perform. There are two options. The Add Reply option sends a public response to the customer and counts toward SLA timers. The Add Note option adds a private internal note for your team and does not affect SLA metrics. For this example, select Add Reply to send a public response, and then add a description. To insert the AI-generated answer into the description, import the AI-suggested answer placeholder from the right side panel. This allows the Email AI agent to generate its response dynamically, based on the customer's email and your knowledge base content. Once everything is set, click Save to activate the automation. From now on, the Email AI agent will automatically respond to any incoming ticket that meets your conditions, providing fast replies and significantly reducing workloads. Sign up for a free 15-day trial to try this feature today. And if you want to improve the quality of your AI replies, be sure to watch the previous video on adding sources for your AI agent. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.